Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, promotions, deals, giveaways, and fun. We've been talking quite a while about different trips and different ways to see this wonderful world in which we live. And many of our listeners have had the idea that booking a trip is as simple as going online, looking it up, pulling out your credit card, and making a payment. So the question is asked, why use a travel agent? Aren't they more expensive? Do we have to pay them to book our trips? Why would we want to spend more for less? Or why would we want to spend more for the same trip? Well, I have great news for you. It has been discovered by many a traveler that using a travel agent is the most cost-effective way of fulfilling their travel needs. You might ask, how so? Simply because the travel agent community has an intimate relationship with our suppliers locally and internationally. The idea is we will find the best deals with the best offers from our top suppliers and offer it to our clients in a very practical and user-friendly manner. We also control your payments. So as opposed to going online, pulling up a trip, paying in full, we offer the option of comfortable payment installments. There are other perks that are offered to us through our suppliers that you would not get if you were not using a travel agent. For example, with our Emancipendence sailing, we as the travel community were able to get what we call gap points. And so for each person who will be sailing with us come this August 5th, we will have shipboard credit. On other sailings and other opportunities, we will give you resort credit. There are occasions when we might have a free beverage pack promotion. There are other times, particularly with our river cruises, when those are booked in advance, you even get free air with your booking. So my friends, it is a wise idea to start your research online, getting an idea as to the various products that exist and to see the destinations that you'd like to visit. However, to seal the deal, to tie it up, to wrap it up, to get the best bang for your buck, your travel agent is the person to do all of the preparation for you. Now there's the other thing. On occasion, unfortunately, mishaps happen. The client who has a travel agent as their advocate will get a faster resolution to almost every situation. Your travel agent is your go-to person. While in destination, with the occurrence of something unexpected, you can expect your travel agent to link directly with your supplier, work out a situation, and ensure that you are well taken care of. So, just for those of us who were doubting the value or even whether they need to use our services, do not be alarmed. We do not charge additional booking fees. You don't have to pay us to do your trip. You don't even have to pay us to research. What you need to do is to take your book of business to us, tell us what your needs are, bring your groups. We will pull this together. And as a matter of fact, for all our group bookings, we will offer you a trip concierge who will travel with you and ensure that your trip is coordinated to perfection every step of the way. A trip concierge, you might ask, and how much is that going to cost? That's a brilliant question. A trip concierge service with Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited will cost you nothing. As long as you bring your groups of 16 people or more, we will ensure that you will have a travel concierge with you to take care of your journeys. And of course, we will also link you to the different services within the supplier community. They also, depending on the category or the class booking that you do, offer concierge and even butler services. So we'll continue to talk a little more about this as we move forward. But remember, your travel agent is just as important as your accountant and your attorney. We are here to take all the fuss, all the hassle, and all the missteps out of your travel plans. Remember, we're the experts and we are here for you. At Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we are all about the fun. Ciao for now.